Hi, this is Russ Murray from Delaware Business Incorporators. In today's video, I wanted to talk about an all-in-one business management software called Striven from a company called Miles Technologies out of Lumberton, New Jersey. We are currently using this software for our business. If you have a business, you need this all-in-one business management software. One of the modules in Striven is called Customer Portal. Now, Striven also has Vendor Portal and Candidate Portal modules as well. All three portals work pretty much the same way. The Customer Portal module is incredibly powerful and full of features. It's a part of a larger all-in-one business management software. The Customer Portal features are built into Striven and include other modules such as Customer Relationship Management, otherwise known as CRM, Sales Management, Project Management, Inventory Management, and Task Management. Let's take a look at how easy it is for your customer to use the Customer Portal area of Striven. Now, this is our fictional company, John Doe Enterprises, that I've pulled up. And this is what you as the company would see. But then when your customer logs in, they're going to see something a little different. They're going to see a portal. Now, on the portal, there are a number of different sections that the customer can go to. So in this case, we have customers, payment profiles, transactions, open balance. So we'll go into each one of these. We have sales orders, so task. So these are things that we're going to be doing for them. These are sales orders, which is sort of like estimates or quotations. It doesn't affect accounting. And the hub is where documents are stored. And then you can have, your customer can have a number of users as well. This section is called monthly statements. So if they want to get a statement of all the activity that's occurred on their account, they can very easily. All right, so if we go to payment profiles, you can see how easy it is to add a payment profile. Now we have credit cards, we have e-checks. So if you do a credit card, you have these 4 credit cards that can be put in. So it's very simple. The customer can literally just fill this information in and then save it. And if they want to do an e-check, that's easy to do too. So you can see where the customer puts in the routing number, their account number, the name on the account, the bank name. And then once all that's saved, then they can set up auto pay. Now, since we're already set up with auto pay, it's just that we don't have any payment profiles set in there yet, but it's very easy. So let's say the customer had some transactions. They would show up in here. And let's put a transaction in very quickly. I'm going to put in a new invoice. So let's go into here. I'm going to put in an invoice and we'll use our penny item test. So the penny item test only generates a penny as a charge. And we're going to do test invoice. And we have a 90-day. So if we did the invoice today, it would be due on July 28th. So let's save this. And if we wanted to send something to, I'll send it to myself here. A little email comes up and that will generate send. So now once the customer gets it, as you can see how easily it comes in. So here's our test invoice that we just set up. So if a customer went in and said, oh, I have an invoice that I have to pay, generally what happens is we're going to send an email to them with showing the invoice, and then they can click onto it and actually go into their customer portal. But you can see it's very easy to navigate and look at. There can be an attachment. We can view the customer can view their applied payments and credits. They can print out this invoice if they want. So let's see, what it'll do is it'll generate a PDF file. So just to give you an idea, this is what the invoice format would look like. And this is completely changeable. And if the customer goes in and says, oh, I have a payment that's due. So we can go in, they can put in their credit card information and then sign up for auto pay if they want, and then hit pay now. So it's a very powerful system, has a lot of features. They can also see if they have any past due. So in sales orders, once again, you have a summary of quoted, pending approvals, approved, in progress, completed, and customer can sort it any way they want. If there was any task associated with this, which we have a task, we have a couple of demo tasks in here that we've set up. So they'll be able to see those, and they can see the ones that we've put on hold. We can see the ones that have been finished, and there's none of those. Let's put in the hub. Let's show what the hub looks like. Let's go back to our customer. We'll go back to the customer very quickly, and we will go into the hub, and let's upload a document. We'll put something up here. Let's see what we have. We can upload something that makes sense for everybody. Just looking for some type of image here that I can upload. Okay, so we've uploaded that. Let's save it. We need to make sure that it is visible on the portal. So let's go back in and edit this. Turn this on here. So any images that you've uploaded, here they are. They're in the portal. So you can make an image, and this is what the customer sees. So when you're turning an image on and off, you can do so from right here. So you click it right there. So let's go back to the portal, and here's users. So any users, we have John Doe, our fictional owner of this company. So we can easily add other owners. And this is all from the customer's point of view. So it's very easy for them to, self-manage. And then here's a monthly statement, and then there's not going to be much in there because this is just a demo account. So here's a monthly statement. So you can put all kinds of information on here, as much or as little as you want. So that is the dashboard. And you can also communicate with, so the customer, from the customer's point of view, can actually click on this and initiate a discussion with somebody in your office. So what I'll do is I'll put, let's see here, if I have anybody. Don't have anybody that I can show you, but if we had recipients in there, we could actually send them a message. And if the customer wants to rate their experience with you, they can, thank you for the great service, and then that will go into their file, and feedback comes back into their account. So, and that's pretty much the customer portal. And if the customer has more than one company, it would be in this drop down here. So, all right, thanks for listening.